76% of your days vanish like smoke. Not because you're lazy, not because you're unremarkable. Your brain is wired to treat routine like spam. Let me explain. Your brain isn't broken. It's ruthlessly efficient. Evolution trained it to prioritize survival, not journaling. Imagine our ancestors. If yesterday's path had no threats, why remember it? Today's identical commute? Delete. Same work tasks? Delete. This neural shortcut saved energy for real dangers. But modern life hijacked this system. Here's what studies reveal. Novel experiences stimulate the hippocampus, a key brain region for memory, more intensely than routine activities. This heightened activation enhances memory consolidation and retention. Why? Novel stimuli trigger dopamine release, which strengthens memory persistence. Routine? Your brain says, already got the blueprint, trash the details. This creates the memory mirage. You finish a productive week, but by Saturday, it's a blur. You're left with inbox zero, but zero memories. Adults describe 76% of days as unremarkable or forgettable. The cruel twist? The more efficient you become, the faster time disappears. But here's the fix. In a groundbreaking experiment, two groups drank coffee daily. Group A multitasked, sipping while scrolling emails. Group B practiced sensory layering, smelling beans for 5 seconds, feeling the mug's ceramic ridges, listening to brewing bubbles. After a month, Group B recalled significantly more details about their days. Why? Engaging multiple senses enhances working memory and information retention. Now let's layer in circadian biology. Your brain has biological prime times, windows where specific tasks feel effortless. 7 to 9 a.m. Cortisol peaks, hydrate, stretch, sunlight. 10 a.m. 12 p.m. Dopamine surges. Tackle analytical deep work. 4 to 6 p.m. Right brain creativity spikes. Brainstorm. Create. Align tasks to these windows and memory encoding improves. Fight these rhythms and you're swimming upstream. Your 7-day time reclamation challenge. Days 1 to 3 focus on sensory anchoring. Morning. Brew tea mindfully. Notice the steam's warmth, the leaves' aroma, the cup's weight. Afternoon. Walk a new route. Count 3 textures underfoot. Cracked pavement, grass, gravel. Evening. Cook a meal with contrasting textures, crunchy veggies, creamy sauce, crispy bread. Days 4 to 7 layer in circadian design. 7 a.m. Hydrate with lemon water and sunlight, no screens. 10 a.m. Tackle your hardest task with rosemary nearby. Its scent boosts focus. 4 p.m. Learn one useless skill, fold origami, freestyle dance, sketch abstract shapes. Why? Novelty forces attention. No skill is useless if it makes time tangible. By day 7, you'll have 21 sensory anchors. Your brain can't ignore that. Why does this work? Memory formation requires 2 triggers, emotional weight or novelty. When you engage multiple senses, you create flashbulb memories, the same mechanism that lets you recall where you were on 9/11, but not last Tuesday's lunch. Stanford psychologists explain it like this. Time perception isn't about minutes, it's about density of memorable moments. This isn't about adding more to your day, it's about experiencing deeply. A mindful coffee ritual takes 90 seconds. A new walking route adds 0 time. Texture-rich meals? You're eating anyway. The difference is intentionality. You're not living longer, you're living wider. Your brain is a time machine, but you've been letting it autopilot. Hit subscribe. Let's design days worth remembering.